Hello, students. Welcome to your class, unit number 5, food choices. Lesson A. In Lesson A, you'll learn how to talk about eating habits using expressions like a bottle of, a little, a few, very little, and very few. Lesson A is about healthy food, comida saludable. Exercise 1, getting started. A. In this part, we have 3 questions, 1, 2, and 3. Let's read and answer. How often does your family buy food? My answer, we buy food on weekends. 2, do you buy groceries online? No, we don't buy groceries online. At the supermarket? Yes, we buy groceries in the Supermaxi. Exercise B. Listen to the people above who has the healthiest food in their refrigerator. Okay, in this part, we have a description about healthy food. Before we listen this part, let's check the new vocabulary. We have healthy food, a few slices of, a jar of mustard, a little butter, green peppers, vegetables drawer. There is a lot of stuff, plenty of, freezer, frozen food, very few, a loaf of bread, a bottle of soy sauce, a few cans of, and fridged. Remember that you can practice these words the times that you need. When you finish to practice, you have to read this part and you have to understand the message. Remember, make sure that you can understand the message. What do you have in your refrigerator? So take your time to understand this part. Van a tomar su tiempo para que comprendan el mensaje. Now, I hope that you are ready. Right now, we are going to listen this conversation. Please listen and read. Vamos a escuchar y van a seguir en su texto.
Page 44, Unit 5, Food Choices. Lesson A, Healthy Food. 1. Getting started. B. Listen to the people above. Who has the healthiest food in their refrigerator?
What do you have in your refrigerator? We visited 3 people to see what they keep in the fridge. David Freeman.
Let's see. A carton of eggs, some milk, a pound of hamburger meat, a few slices of cheese, a jar of mustard, and a little butter. There aren't many vegetables. There are just a few green peppers going bad in the vegetable drawer. I guess I should eat more vegetables.
Marta Delgado.
Oh, there's lots of stuff. There's fruit, oranges, mangoes, a pineapple, and I always have plenty of fresh vegetables, broccoli, tomatoes, and carrots. And there's a carton of orange juice and a tub of margarine. I usually buy 1% milk because it has fewer calories. And then in the freezer, there are 1 or 2 frozen dinners, but not many. We eat very few frozen meals.
Chris Kim.
Well, there's very little food in there because I eat out most nights. So there's just a loaf of bread, a bottle of soy sauce, a few cans of soda, and a jar of hot peppers. Yeah, there's not much food in the house.
Very good. The following activities that we have to do are listening exercises. You have to listen again the same conversation and do exercise 1, then exercise 2. And we have exercise 3. Remember, with the same conversation. When you finish, remember that you can check your responses in this part. So take your time to do these activities. When you finish, we can continue with the next part of your book. Exercise C. Each person above forgot to mention 2 things in their refrigerator. Circle the correct words in the sentences below. So please do this exercise. When you finish, you can check your answers in this part. Take your time. Okay, here you can check your answers. Number 1, Chris also has a little butter and a carton of orange juice. Marta also has a few apples and a loaf of bread. And 3, David also has a bottle of ketchup and some soda. He doesn't have much food. That's it about lesson A, page 44. Good luck.